Bright enough? Kind of. Alright, you know what's going on. About to head out to Oakland. Andrew said he's going to be taking off his stock single turbo and then installing his manifold. And you know that consists of minimal work and lots of drinking. So let's see if we can even get this shit done by tonight. It's upside down, bro. Nah, it doesn't matter.
Life.
La música de Harry Fraud.
Yeah. Money on the flow, case they kicking the door. Yeah. Life. Saran wrapped in the wall, case they bring them dogs. Yeah. Life. The fuck you thought? That ain't the super sport package, the fuck you bought. I don't plan on being in the police chase, but if I do, homes, I doubt that I get caught. I had some gear work done, headers, cam, exhaust, parked outside of my fault. That's my getaway car, easy access, top off, with the push button start. You know me, dawg, yeah.
Look at all this room for activity.
Money in the flow, case they kicking the door. Saran wrapped in the wall, case they bring them dogs. Money in the flow, case they kicking the door. Saran wrapped in the wall, case they bring them dogs.
I mean, no, if they cut this back,
and we can make crack like this as long as we slang raps like this.
Instead of just to the outside of this.
Make that paper stack like. And we can make crack like this as long as we slang raps like.
So what, you would have been like this, maybe?
Make that paper stack like. Fruits of my labor, the grind major player. Investigators agitated, but this is legal paper that we making. Show us dope being sold. And yeah, we the ones selling audio keys. The price go down if you cop heavy. Them other fools rushing, they cook up they shit not ready. We wait until it's perfect, mix it down and then we serve it. The ones who sleeping on it don't deserve it. Money in the flow, case they kicking the door. Saran wrapped in the wall, case they bring them dogs. Money in the flow, case they kicking the door. Like,
just so that shit's not
Saran wrapped in the wall, case they bring them dogs.
If you move that hose in the back,
and we can make crack like this as long as we slang raps like this. Make that paper stack like.